Welcome. If you've noticed Facebook sending notifications whenever you make a public post and you'd rather keep things quieter, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to turn off public post notifications on Facebook using your PC, especially with the latest interface update. First, go ahead and open Facebook in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand another list of options. Now click on Settings to enter the main settings page where you can manage your account preferences. After that, look at the left-hand side menu. Scroll until you find Followers and Public Content, then click on it. This section controls how people interact with your public posts and what notifications you receive. Now, within this page, locate the option called Public Post Notifications. Click on it to open the available choices. You'll typically see options like Everyone, Friends of Friends, or Only Me. To stop receiving notifications completely, select Only Me. This ensures that you won't get notified about interactions on your public posts anymore. Finally, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. Once saved, your notification settings will be updated immediately. And that's it. A simple adjustment that can make your Facebook experience a lot less distracting.